Okay, much better. Good morning, everybody. This box came on Wednesday. It is another box from Banggood, and it has, or should have, I haven't opened it yet, obviously, the latest of the ET engines. And you know, if I could operate a knife, that would be a lot easier. There. It is real cold right now. I think the weather said it was 10 or 12 degrees Fahrenheit, which is like minus 18 Canadian. So the top block of foam here, and the pretty standard instructions for the ET8. This engine is a throttle governed version of the ET series. So looks like it's packed real well, as always. Big long piece of fuel line there. The starter rope. And the engine here is well packed in this piece of foam. Does need to come out the top because the foam block has this cutout for the starter, but it stops right there. So put all that aside. Yeah, this engine is throttle governed. So it's got both push rods for the intake and the exhaust. It's got a throttle body here to restrict the amount of air that can flow into the engine. So I am gonna see about getting this to run. I guess I will stop and move the camera for a bit of a close-up. So, looks in good shape here. Got the cover on the base. The same 3 batteries for the ignition system. Looks like it borrows the exhaust that was made for the little M series. So we'll be right back and see if that runs. And I also still have the other M engine. We'll try to get that running too.